Yeah, I know. I just forgot. What will I do? How will I know? Great.
All right, bus. Bus day. Hello, everyone. Okay, made it to Fort Myers, and ooh la la, we got a suite. Check this out. There's a balcony. Oh yeah, baby. This is lovely. Ah, 2 beds. It's huge. Wow. Wow. Alright. So kind of a long story, a little bit of a long story. We traveled by bus to get here. It was only about 2 hours, but only company members are allowed on the buses. So Sean could not travel with me, and we were gonna rent a car, but Jess was already renting a car. So he's just traveling with her. I wasn't gonna fit in that car with all my stuff, so I took the bus. He took the car with Jess, and I'm gonna go pick him up since I got a rental car this week. I'm gonna go pick him up at her place. Let's do it. I gotta find the car. I don't hear it though. Hello car, where are you? I can't find the car. There it is. Ta-da! All right, let's find a Sean. It feels like a different world driving to work. I love it. Anyway, I found it, I think. I see the truck, so let's go Fort Myers. There's an outlet mall across the street. Da, 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 da. Look at those clouds.
Boy.
Oh, this battery's almost dead too. Let's go to the mall.
I want to go to Cheeseburger.
Yeah, I can smell Cheeseburger. Ta-da! Sticker! We walked by this burger place today called Cheeseburger. And there was a sign on the door that said everything was fried in peanut oil. So we said, hey, we're gonna make our own cheeseburgers. Actually, no cheese. Burgers. Ta-da! Made some burgers. They look pretty good. Look at that view. Ooh. Hello.
Yeah.
My GoPro was dead yesterday. Here's the theater. Look at this. Krug is one of our stage managers. This is our room. This is our room. This is our dressing room. Boom, boom. Pretty standard. Look who I found on the wall. My good friend Danielle Wade and the Wizard of Oz tour. Yeah. Beach day! Oh, the sand is so soft. So today's Ellie's birthday. Ellie is Jessica's dog. She's our hair supervisor on the tour. And so all the little tour dogs are having a birthday party today at the beach. So I'm crashing the party. I brought them treats. I want to rent a Sea-Doo so bad. There they are. Hello. Look at that. birthday! Happy birthday!
It's Ellie's birthday.
Her birthday.
Right.
Look what we brought you, Ellie. Treats! Treats!
It's a people.
Oh, hi! Hi.
She's very excited right
She
now.
was digging a hole, as all dogs do at the beach.
Hi, Golden! Look at Steph!
That's me. Look at
Aw.
Hi, Pup.
Marcy, who's that? Is it hi?
Marcy, smile for the camera.
Say hi. My shadow's in it.
Hi! You're so cute!
She's smart too.
She
want
knows
one
all
more?
kinds of tricks. I don't know if she'll do many for you though. You
One
can
more?
put out your hand and say, shake.
Can you shake?
Oh,
what
good.
a good girl.
Ready? Lay down.
Ellie's like, I know how to do it.
Ready? Spin.
Yeah!
Good girl. Come on, high five.
Hi, dog. They're pretty. Nice throw.
We're the stars of the vlog. Vlog.
Steph, I need to know that I watched your vlogs multiple times. They make me so happy.
Have you seen Alessandro though?
too.
There's Alessandro the vlog.
You haven't seen Alessandro vlog?
Channel. They're way better.
They're comedic. You gotta watch Multnomah Falls. You gotta watch Vancouver. That was a good one. Oh, Octopus San Diego's good too. Jake's in that one. That's funny.
Is this for Alessandro?
It is now, baby. We're coming back. We're coming back. We're back on air.
Give us a hey, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
Back from the beach, and it's so nice out, so I'm gonna take a little dip in the pool. Gotta send some posters. Hi. Oh, dead rat. Oh my gosh. We have a really busy week next week with some rehearsals and people coming and stuff, so I just want to take it easy today. And there's a nail salon across the street, and I never treat myself. I think I'm gonna go get a mani-pedi. Have a nice, relaxing day, get pampered, leading into a busy weekend, so busy weekend, busy week. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I gotta show you, the wall art this week is so beautiful. Check it out. It's intermission. My stomach is grumbling. I brought a cucumber with me. I didn't have time this morning to chop it up and make a little snack tray, so I just brought the entire thing. An entire thing of hummus. So I'm just here chopping a cuke at intermission. It's trunk day. We gotta pack and lock our trunks. We have trunks that we can store some extra stuff in that doesn't fit in our suitcases. And I was going through mine and I had the lid leaned up against the wall and it fell and whacked me in the head. So I'm icing my head. It's not that bad, but